Hi, I'm Lloyd Miller. I live on the land I'm standing on. We moved here in 1992. In the December of 94, I laid the foundation of this home, and in the spring of 95, we built the home and moved into it. And one thing we wanted on the house was a wide porch. So we have a 12-foot porch instead of a regular 8-foot porch, and we really made good use of that. The entrance is a place where we kick off our shoes, put our coats on, and just sort of been a family entryway all the years. This is sort of a front room here. We use it for a mini living room next to our kitchen. And in the wintertime, when we fire up the stove here, we have a cozy place to sit around, and usually when friends come over, we just sit here at this little corner here. I have my main office over in the other corner where I have my computer. So yeah, this is our kitchen here. And this living area was an add-on that we did 10 years later. I built this fireplace in 2005, and it was a dream of mine to build a one-of-a-kind fireplace that's actually serviceable. It doesn't need electricity. It's a monstrous chamber inside that rockwork. It heats up and circulates out into the room. This little room here is a feature that comes from our background. When the Amish build their homes, they have a place where you can either go right from the entrance into this little, not sure how to call it in English. It's where you wash your hands. It's kind of a prep sink, kind of a utility room, but it's an open place where you go in and you wash up. We have another room that's open. It's just a sink, a medicine cabinet, and it's something I built. That's what this corner is for. And then another thing that we always encourage is try to have a big pantry, because if you really want to service people well, especially guests, there is no limit to pantry space. It's always good to have as much as you can. And now, my kitchen is not as big as most families have, even though I encourage big kitchens. Kitchens for us are more, you get done what needs to be done and then you clean up. But we do spend a lot of time around this island. We raised my children around this island. This thing has served hundreds, if not thousands of people. And we don't sit at the table unless there are guests coming and larger families. And since my wife is no longer living, some of that has changed. Now we just use the island when we're home. So in 2021, I transformed this room into a laundry bathroom, kind of old barnwood style. Wanted to create a main level bathroom so that I could use the one that I raised my family in and remodel it and use it for a master suite. This is our second level guest room that has a 3-sided view to the mountains, and it also comes with an upper deck, which we call the tower room or the prayer tower. It goes up, has its own little space up above. Right now, I'm in a remodel stage at the end of my house. I have my bedroom here and another cold room or washroom in the back, but it's turning into a butcher shop and a canning room. But this room right here is a walk-in closet for my master bedroom. It's under construction, and so we just added this room, and it has a storage shelf up here that's existing, and we put sheetrock on the walls, and we'll have it to where it'll be a nice walk-in closet out of my bedroom. Always wanted more closet space. And the cold room, like I say, is under construction, and this is where we have can storage is in here. It's definitely under construction, but this is the room where we have it set up the way we used to, but I'm remodeling it. I'm upgrading it, and it's going to have a really nice area to do canning. We also have an oven in here where we can roast extra turkeys for Thanksgiving and Christmas and so on. In this front room here is a butcher shop where we do all our wild game, and we have a big meat grinder, and we do everything, package everything right here. Right now it's a tool shop for my remodel process, so we're adding water heaters and bathrooms and all kinds of new things for the next phase of the life of this house.